Tomorrow is the last day of Sha'ban, and after that Ramadan begins. Ramadan Mubarak, subhanallah, one more night between us and the month of mercy. A month we've been waiting for. A month that could erase years of sins. A month that could change our ending. Because Ramadan is not just about fasting from food. It's about fasting from sin. Fasting from bad habits. Fasting from everything that distances you from Allah. Ya Allah, let me reach Ramadan with a clean heart. Forgive my hidden sins and my open one. Make this Ramadan sincere for you alone. Give me strength to pray, to read Quran, to wake up for suhoor. Let my tears fall in sujood. Let Laylatul Qadr find me in worship. Write my name among those forgiven and freed from the fire. Ameen.